In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate your business advertisement video using AI. The video that we will generate will be like this one.
For just 10,000 Naira, you can get your hair braided. Visit our salon today for your perfect look.
So this is the kind of video that I'm going to show you how to generate. So for you to generate this kind of video, the first thing that you need is the image. The image that you are going to animate into a video. I created my own image using ChatGPT. This is the image right here. So if you have your own image, then I'm going to show you how to generate the video. Okay, so once you've opened Flow AI, click on New Projects. Now, on this page, this is where you are going to upload the image that you want to use to create your video. Click on the Start button. Click on the Upload button. Select your image. Wait for it to upload. This depends on how fast your internet connection is. The image has been uploaded. Click Add to Prompts. For we to be sure the kind of video models that we are using and if it's in 9:16 or 16:9, click on this video button. Now make sure it's in 9:16 and 1x. 1x means we are generating just one video, and then the model is in Omni Flash, and then make sure it's in 10 seconds. So what I'm trying to say is that since we are generating a video, it must be the video option must be selected, and then the frames option must be selected, and then the 9:16 vertical video must also be selected, and then 1x should be selected, 10 seconds should be selected. Once you've selected all of these settings, then you can go ahead and enter your prompt. So for me, I have already generated my prompt using ChatGPT. I'm going to show you right here. So this is the prompt that we are going to use to generate the video. So this is the image to a video prompt, and ChatGPT says it's 8 seconds, but actually I needed 10 seconds. So that's why I have gone ahead to set the duration of the video to 10 seconds because that is what I need. So I'm going to copy this prompt right here. I'm going to copy this prompt and then go back to Flow AI. So this is where we are going to paste the prompts. I'm going to paste it right there. So I wouldn't want to spend all of my time to read all of this text prompt right there. So if you need the prompt, just comment in the video, tell me that you need the prompt, and I'm going to send it to you. So for we to be able to generate this video, click on this arrow button right here. The video is generating. We just have to wait for it to finish generating. So we have about, the video has finished generating. Click on the play button. So first I'm going to toggle this white screen, and then I will play the video.
For just 10,000 Naira, you can get your hair braided. Visit our salon today for your perfect look.
Okay, so the output is exactly what we needed. So I'm going to play it again.
For just 10,000 Naira, you can get your hair braided. Visit our salon today for your perfect look.
Perfect. So guys, this is how to create your own business advertisement video using Flow AI. So if you like the video, click on the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel.